Hello friends, welcome to Cookabulary. Today we are going to prepare a very versatile and easy to prepare dish called the egg omelette. You would have heard about omelette before, and it is generally prepared in different styles. This is a style of preparation predominantly in the south of India, Kerala. These are the ingredients used in the dish. Now let's get to prepare this dish. For today I am taking 2 brown eggs, and I've got myself about quarter of a medium sized onion which is chopped. Have taken a few curry leaves. You would generally get this at an Indian store near you. I've also taken a green chili. Of course, just add just enough for taste. And I have also some grated coconut as well, which enhances the flavor. That is it. These are just simple ingredients. Now let's crack the eggs and whisk them well. I use a fork here since I find it more comfortable to use. You can also use the whisker if that is comfortable. Add salt enough for taste. Finely chop the chilies too to integrate into the dish. Shred the curry leaves and drop it in there. Add all the ingredients into the bowl and then mix them well so that it blends in extremely well. Well, this is important so that the flavors really start to set in. Here is a fun fact while we are mixing all these ingredients. Did you know that the fastest omelette maker in the world made about 427 2-egg omelettes in 30 minutes time? Well, that's speed for you. Now let's get a non-stick pan on the stove and add some coconut oil in there. You can also use avocado oil or olive oil if you want to. The taste generally enhances when you include coconut oil in there, and that's why I prefer that. Once it's a bit heated up, go ahead and pour the omelette mix into the pan and kind of spread them around so that it's evenly distributed. Here's a useful tip for you while you're doing this. If you drop an egg by any chance on the ground, just sprinkle some salt heavily around that area and clean it up. It would clean extremely well. Now go ahead and flip the omelette to the other side to get it also well done. Now the omelette is done on both sides and it smells really good. Well, let me transfer this into a plate so that we can get to taste it once. I'd like to slice it like a pizza, and so I'm using a pizza slicer here. Wow, this looks really good and smells really good too. Let me try one now. It's delicious. This is good. Friends, this is an easy to prepare dish, and remember, this can be a good one for you as a snack or even during lunch or dinner with rice or rotis or even tortillas. It shouldn't take you more than 15 minutes overall, including to prep and to cook. Please go ahead and try this at home and drop in a comment and let me know. Please do like and subscribe to our channel for more of such videos which will come your way. See you soon. Goodbye.